Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about what does restrict mean on Instagram. First of all, I will show you how to restrict a person on Instagram. Open your Instagram app and first you need to tap on this message icon in the top right corner. And then you need to go to the conversation of the person you want to restrict. Next, tap on that person's name at the top. So now you can find this privacy and safety option in here. So tap on it. Now you need to tap on this restrict option to restrict that person. On Instagram, the restrict feature is privacy setting and that allows users to limit the interactions and visibility of another user without outright blocking them. When you restrict someone on Instagram, their comments on your post will only be visible to them. Other people will not see their comments unless you approve them. Direct messages from the restricted person will be moved to your message requests folder, and you won't be notified when they send you a message. You won't receive any notifications for their comments on your posts or when they are active on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.